Hello cosplay world! Today we're gonna be making a considerable sized bow from Ribbon. Was it Tales of? Yes, Tales of, and it's Ribbon's bow. And this one is going to be covering a bit of. It's a foldable bow. The reason why it's because it's like 6 feet long. In the game, it turns into this dagger thing, but really the reason why we're folding and adding a mechanism to it is because it's very long and we need to get it to conventions, or store it. So, it's largely going to be made of wood or medium density fiberboard or MDF because it's so large. Larger props made of foam tend to snap fairly easily, and even this wood here I use for the handle because the handle is such a weird design. I end up having to remake the handle like twice. So I've made it like 3 times. End up going with some wood stuff, but I'll get into that in the extended version if you're interested in making a strong handle. That's in the extended version at finalcosplay.com. Link, and you guys know the spiel there. So basically, I go in with scroll saw and cut all these pieces out. If you're using something like a pull saw or a circular saw, it's not going to get as good graduated curves. Additionally, I smooth them out with a belt sander, a large belt sander. I think it's industrial, I'm pretty sure. But a regular hand belt sander will get the job done, allowing for a smooth, even piece. Once I do glue them together, I go over it again to make sure that it's easier and we don't have pieces popping out. Belt sanders cut the time on sanding down immensely. Like, I can get a sword popped out so quickly with a belt sander because it's just a matter of honing an edge. That they are amazing tools for prop making. Once we do have it together here, it is filled with a whole ton of Bondo because, as you can tell, the 2 pieces are kind of making a sandwich there. Yeah, there's just a ton of Bondo. But we do have some wood in there to fill in the block and provide more support. The Bondo's there because I don't have exact rectangular or triangular pieces that fit into that gap, so Bondo just fills all that in. And you can see the bow pivots on that screw, and then we put this block of wood in there to sort of support and block that piece in so that it can't collapse. But when you want to put it in your car or put it in your room or put it in your closet, you pop this little block of wood out and it folds in half and is around, I guess, 4 feet. I think it's just under 4 feet in total length, which is much more easy to deal with. We're going to be painting this up once we're done sanding. Oh boy, is there sanding involved in this one. In a lot of Delta white and Delta yellow, and then this folk art gold. Remember to base your metallics in whatever tone you're going to work with. It saves you a lot of time. The yellow is a much more even kind of paint in pigment than your gold here, so it makes a good base. And you end up saving money because you don't waste a ton of gold, and it just looks better. It just looks better. Next time we are making some wings, some collapsible wings. I hope you guys check that out. Good times to all. Go check out finalcosplaycore.com for more on this and other awesome cosplay goodness. Links in the description. Hope you guys enjoy. Good times to all.